raised as my conscience fell, a simply lived so loud. It didn't mean much, but it lingers still in the corners of my mind. Still you call me to walk on the edge of this world, spread my dreams and fly. But the future's so far, my heart is so frail, I think I'd rather stay inside. But you love me anyway. It's like nothing in life that I've ever known. Yes, you love me anyway. Oh Lord, how you love me. Yes, I am on your crown, but you love me anyway. And I am the sweat from your brow, but you love me anyway. So I am the nail in your wrist, but you love me anyway. Yes, and I am Judas's kiss, but you love me anyway. Yes, see, I am the man who yelled out from the crowd for your blood to be spilled on this earth shaking ground. Yes, and I turned away with this smile on my face, with this sin in my heart, trying to bury your grace. Yes, and alone in the night, I still call out to you, so ashamed of my life, my life, my life. But you love me anyway. Oh God, how you love me. Yes, you love me anyway. It's like nothing in life that I